Hello there and welcome to this channel. As always, we want to give you the best hairstyles and haircuts ideas and inspiration. You know what we're about right here, giving you the very best looks when it comes to short hairstylings and beautiful haircuts ideas and inspiration for women. Right here, right now, you've come across some amazing black women haircut ideas and haircut designs. You can definitely try this summer. You'll be seeing so many ideas when it comes to low maintenance short haircuts. If you want fun and beautiful fade haircuts or hairstyle ideas and haircut ideas for black women, you'll definitely be seeing those within the video. Now, if you also want something cute and stylish, you'll be seeing so many ideas when it comes to short hairstyles and haircuts for you as a black woman. Don't also forget some of the bold shaved hairstyles and haircuts that you'll be coming across within this video. So many fashionable undercut designs for women in this year 2023. Amazing natural hairstyles, beautiful short coily hairstyles and haircuts ideas, short hairstyles for black women, beautiful black women haircuts and hairstyle designs ideas, beautiful color designs and transformation, just like this one, the very short low cut hairstyle but with beautiful carved design as well as beautiful color. You'll be seeing so many colored ideas and inspiration for you as a woman. These are styles for all ages right here. I must mention that, as you'll be seeing styles for women of all ages. It's not just limited to a particular age range. So wherever you are right now, we really hope you appreciate this video as you watch until the end. Get subscribed to this channel, leave us a like, share the video, and of course leave a comment down below. But most importantly, press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any important updates from us here on this channel. Till tomorrow, you stay safe and stay blessed wherever you are. And remember, it's Trendy Short Hairstyles Lookbook, where you get the very best short hairstyling ideas and inspiration. Till tomorrow, you take care and stay safe wherever you are, and bye.